Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out hard. Today's video, as you already know by the title, I'm gonna be bleaching my hair. So you guys better grab some popcorn because this could be entertaining. I'm gonna put out a disclaimer here right now. I am not a licensed hairstylist. I am a licensed makeup artist. Two big different things. I have been dyeing my hair now for the last 6 years. It has only been red or brown, but I do my own hair. But I have never lightened my own hair, so this is going to be interesting. Make sure you do your research. I spent the last couple weeks just learning videos and reading things online to make sure that I do this somewhat properly. Yesterday, I spent all day watching YouTube videos. Yeah, sounds exciting, right? Now, this is the problem. All the videos that I found on YouTube, everyone had long hair. I couldn't find many videos that had pixie cuts. And if I did find them, they were either not the same color hair as mine, or they were getting it done professionally. Not much for at-home pixie. Then it dawned on me, why don't I look at men's platinum hair colors? Because I got a pixie, we kind of relate. And that was pretty much the exact same thing. So I lost almost all hope and I was just gonna wing it, but then I came across Mr. Brad Mondo. So I decided to scroll down all of his videos to see if he had any pixies on his channel, and I only found 2. One was like a girl that he did a makeover for, but she was going like a blue teal color, and another one was a girl named Snitchery, but she had like a lighter brown hair that she was going to a platinum. So what was I gonna do? I had no idea at this point. Then I saw that he had these reaction videos to DIY bleach fails, so I decided to watch those, and they were honestly so helpful. In his reaction videos, when he's watching these girls fail at doing their bleaching process, he gives tips and tricks that are helpful. As I'm watching him do these videos, I'm taking notes in my head, not on paper, in my head, on how to properly bleach and dye your hair. So I am praying that these tips work. So if you've been with me for a long time, you know that I used to be a bright redhead. Like it was fire truck engine red. I had been that color for about 6 years and I kind of wanted to change, so I was going to attempt to bleach and go blonde. So I used a color oops to kind of remove the color, and holy cow, worked like a charm. My hair was bright orange. And I will say also with color oops, it stinks so bad. Ugh. My house smelled like the chemical for like a week. Maybe 2. So after I did the color oops, I was gonna go to Sally's and get the products, but then I realized I'm out of my depth. So I frantically went on Instagram to look for an Edmonton stylist, and I found the perfect one. Honestly, my hairstylist is the mother of all color correction. She got me to a blonde. Okay, enough of the babbling. Let's see what products I got to do this process. So I'm using Blonde Me Swarovski. I hope I didn't butcher that. Bond Enforcing Premium Lightener 9+ Dust Free Powder. And then I also got the 20 Developer. And also, like, packaging just gets me. Anything rose gold, white, and copper, like, you got me. Then I got a mixing bowl. Price tag still on there. A brush with a good grip handle. A hair cap. For toner, Brad Mondo, you're gonna be so proud of me. Like he's ever gonna actually see this video. A lot of people use T18, and I am not gonna be using T18, guys. For my developer, I'm gonna be using the Pastel 1+2 6 volume Wellow Oxen, and Illumina color in 1069 light blonde, and Illumina color 9/60 very light blonde. I really hope this works. Okay, so shall we see this hair now? It's a little cray, but after it's gonna look great. This is what it looks like. So it is super greasy right now just because I did put some coconut oil in it. It was very up and down if I was going to do this, but what's the harm in trying? So I use this. Wait a second. No! Are you reading what I'm reading? Yeah, that's right. True Raw Choice Coconut Oil for Pets. How did I not see this? No! Boosts energy, joint health, digestion, bowel conditions, prevents and treats yeast and fungal infections. FML is good for pets, it's good for humans, right? Back to this disaster. So my hair, as you can see, I got a long root. And then my ends, I would say, are probably like a level 7, 8. That is what we're gonna be working with, guys. A hot mess. All right, let's go do this. Yep. Had to use a measuring cup because my mixing bowl was too small for what I needed. For my concoction, I used 3 scoops of the Blonde Me Bleach and 4.5 scoops of the Blonde Me 20 Volume Developer.
Give her a nice whisk and it should be like cake batter and you're good to go.
I have to do this in my bathroom because Echo's cage is right next to my filming station, so if she gets any of these chemicals into her little lungs, she could possibly die. So I don't want that. I had to use my measuring cup because I realized my bowl is way too small. It'll probably be good for root touch-ups, but for this mess, gotta use a measuring cup. Like my little sections, it's so cute. My approach. I'm gonna do my mid shaft first, then my roots, and then my ends. I'm scared shitless. Okay, let's pray to the hair gods. Amen. If there's a hair devil, bugger off. Okay guys, I'm going for it. Oh my god. Oh my god, what am I doing? Well, went on my roots there. Back is so hard. Where am I here? Oh, there you go. Oh god. Okay, I'm just gonna work from this front because that's what I feel like I want to do. I think I am over my head with this. Yeah, get that saturation. Okay, so far so good, I think. Oh my god, what am I doing? Well, shall we just cue the music now? Okay, so I am all bleached up and I'm lightening pretty freaking quick. That's awesome. I just sprayed a little bit of water in my cap because that's one of the tricks I heard you do to keep things nice and moist. Oh, my head is hurting a little bit. Pain is beauty though. Pain is beauty. So I'm just going to wait. I didn't time myself. I don't know what time I started at. Great start, Nat. I think that took me probably about 15, 20 minutes. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna leave this on for another half an hour. I'll see how it goes. See you in a bit. Doing a little update. Oh no, I think I missed some spots. I know I probably have to go in a second time, so still got another 15 minutes. It has been now 50 minutes. Lost track of time there a little bit, so I went 5 minutes over. I'm really scared. Okay. Holy Toledo. I know it's probably going to be a little bit darker underneath because this can be really deceiving and I can already see yellow, which is a good sign, but I need to be like a pale banana yellow for this toner to work. I think I missed a spot right there. But that's okay, that's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's go wash this out. Well, shall we see the results? I had to wash my face because my makeup ran everywhere. I don't even know why I bothered putting makeup on this morning. And I got some wine because I feel like I'm gonna need it. It looks pretty yellow. I'm nervous. Oh my god, that is yellow. My hair doesn't feel too bad, so that's good. But I still need to bleach it like one more time. It actually feels really good. Shocking. Maybe that coconut oil actually did work. Let's see. I don't think I missed any spots either. Oh yeah, it's like white right at the root. Let's see what the back looks like. Didn't miss a spot. Okay, so I'm going to let this air dry just a little bit, and I'm going to put some coconut oil in it again and then apply another round. And I'm not going to film that part because I'm just going to do exactly the same thing as I did last time, except I'm just going to go all over. So far I'm happy. Okay, see you in 3 seconds. Okay, I put my second session on. My eyes are burning a little bit. And my head is burning. So I'm just going to leave this on for 20 minutes and wish me luck. Burning, man. So it has been 20 minutes. Let's see where we're at. My head is a little bit on fire. Not uncomfortable, but it is tingling. All right, so let's see how this turned out. Okay, cross your fingers, guys. Pray for me. It looks pretty good right there, but it's the rest I'm worried about. It worked! Oh my god, it worked! I'm so happy! Okay, these parts are super white, but the rest is like a banana. The rest is like a banana, guys. And my hair feels good. It feels good. How'd the back turn out? Yeah, I'm okay with this. There's a couple pieces that are a little bit darker still, but I'm okay with this. Unbelievable. A little bit white, still a little bit yellow on the ends, but like I said, I needed to get to a banana color. I think that's close enough. I'm not bleaching my hair again. There's no freaking way. All right, let's tone this bitch.
For my toner, we're going to be using Willa Illumina colors in these two colors. And I'm using 20 grams of the 10/69 and 15 grams of 960. I got this formula from a girl on Instagram. Her name is Arena Games. Thank you so much. I'm sure I'm gonna love this combo. Then I'm using 70 grams of 6 volume pastel developer. Mix away, baby, and let's get to work.
I'm gonna use all of this toner. I don't care if it's too much. This is so nice and cold on my scalp. I think my hair might turn gray. That wouldn't be a bad thing. Is that a look? I know bleach doesn't lather. I'm pretty sure toner does, especially cream toners. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes. See you in 20 minutes. Getting ready to shower, guys. So I'm gonna hop into the shower as it's running. I will see you guys at the end results. Where do I begin? Well, this really sucks because it didn't turn out as good as I thought it was going to. Well, let's just say like this is really shit, hence why I did my makeup. Just kidding. It turned out so good, like so good. I'm so freaking happy with it. You have no idea. So there are a couple of pieces that are just blonde. It's mostly in the back that I can see it. I'll show you 360. But other than that, I'm stoked. Come on, guys. What the hell? I do me. Conceited much, Natalie? I will say though, for my haircut next time, I think I'm going to leave this a little bit longer. Short still on the side, but I will insert a clip of what it looks like in daylight because, you know, lighting is always completely different. This video is gonna be pretty quick because it is windy out here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. There's no sunlight out here, it's just a cloudy day, but you can kind of get the gist, right? Kind of get the gist. Now for my hair texture, it's actually not bad. It is a little bit drying. I'm gonna have to do some masks to kind of bring it back to its natural state, but I still got the shine there. Still got the shine. And this stuff, thank you dog coconut oil, saved my hair's life, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna give some credit to this sucker. And I did it in a day. And I was dark brown, guys, like so dark. I was definitely probably like a level 3 or 4, that's for sure. So if you are a level 3 or 4, you can get this with patience and time. I started this process I think at 10:30 in the morning, and it is now 4:26, but I probably finished around like 3:30 because I did my makeup and that. I will give some props to Mr. Mondo since he did give me the tips and tricks to be able to achieve this. So thank you, I appreciate it. You know, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to send me a message or comment down below. I would be happy to answer them. As well, if you liked my little process, then, you know, hit that subscribe button and hit that like because it does help me out a lot. Anyways, I'm out, so I will see you guys in my next video.